Okay, we're gonna change out the transmission filter on this Toyota Sienna, and we're gonna be removing this, which is a 10mm hex, and then the bolts around this, the transmission sump. Those are 10mm, so we're gonna get started. So, whoa, hot oil. Shit, I let it drip for a little while. Last one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, like it. There's one more over here. Last one. Okay, we'll see. Still a lot of oil. There you go. Okay, this is the filter. I think I have to remove three bolts. 1, 2, and 3 right here. So this is number 10 right here. Okay, so there's a wire in here that's hanging, so that is that little clip for, is to grab onto the wire, push it up. Okay, so I guess it's bent. Yeah, close enough. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, so this one was hanging over here. Okay. Okay. We cleaned the sump with a cleaner. I used the orange cleaner, which is my favorite cleaner. Cleans everything. So just gonna wipe this down, and then I'm gonna put all the screws in, because it's kind of hard to match them when they're in there. And then just tighten it up. So what I did was put all the bolts through the gasket so I don't have to fight it when I'm underneath. So let's see. Might as well put this cover on right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe down, give the transmission a final wipe down. Oh yeah, that one didn't. The other side. Okay, let's see if my drill is gonna work here.